Good length pitching is all about a narration, an idea, a story, and then only the complementary connect between a problem and a solution gets integrated, and in that order itself the pitch should evolve, that from the problem statement you go to the solution statement, where you should definitely have validations how your solution is going to give a zero error or total. If that can be validated, you take the cake. Now, beyond length and line, we looked at the total addressable market and the market share and some validations that we can convey to the investor. Now, for an